Hi, Dr. Neibauer here, and today we're going to show you some stretches for Achilles tendonitis as well as plantar fasciitis. I've got Alex here who's going to demonstrate the stretches for us. He's a Grizz hockey player, he's also a fishing guide, and he will be perfect to be able to show us and model these stretches today. Okay, the first stretch that Alex is demonstrating here is a straight knee calf stretch. You can see that his knee is straight. The heel is flat on the ground. That's exactly what you want to do. You're going to hold that stretch for 20 seconds. Second stretch is going to be a bent knee stretch. So Alex will bend his knee. You can see that he bends the knee. Sometimes it helps to lower the pelvis a little bit. Heel has to stay flat on the ground though. So both stretches, heel stays flat on the ground. First one is straight knee, second one bent knee, both for 20 seconds. Here we are with stretch number 3. This is the step stretch. You can see Alex demonstrating stretching the left leg. The front of his foot is on the step with the heel dropped off the back. Nice steady hold, not bouncing up and down. We're going to do that for 20 seconds. We have 3 additional exercises or stretches specifically for plantar fasciitis. Alex is going to demonstrate the towel stretch. Wrap the towel around the front of your foot. Go ahead and pull back. This is a good stretch to do before getting out of bed in the morning because a lot of times the pain for plantar fasciitis is in the morning when you first get out of bed. Next stretch or exercise would be the frozen water bottle. Freeze a water bottle, put it on the ground, and you're going to roll that along the heel and along the arch. It's good to do this several times a day. Very simple. The next exercise is a lacrosse ball, or you can use a tennis ball, a golf ball. And what you want to do with this, put it on the floor, run it around in circles on the heel, and then up and down the arch, which is where the plantar fascia actually moves. So do all 3 of these in addition to the previous stretches that we showed you for good home therapy to eliminate your heel pain. So in conclusion, for stretching, the 3 stretches, the straight knee, the bent knee, and the step stretch, we want to do them on both sides. Each is 20 seconds, so that's basically a 2-minute cycle. 3 times a day is only 6 minutes, so that makes it easy to remember to do that. And then if you are specifically treating plantar fasciitis, the towel stretch, the frozen water bottle, and the lacrosse, tennis ball, golf ball. If you have any recurring pain that you need help with, you can contact us at 406-721-4007 or contact us through our website, alpinefoot.com. Thank you.